अब छोलिया हो या लोबिया, सफेद चने या काले चने,
सब कुछ मजेदार बने।
MDH
I completely condemn the attempt of the Congress party to divide the country at a time of war. And what the Congress party has said now is this, that people in Uttar Pradesh don't suffer when there is war. Only people in Jammu and Kashmir suffer when there is war. You know, Madhuvanti ji, Jyotsna ji, I can imagine many things that Congress party has said is wrong, and I tolerate it. I said, this has been the way the party talks. It will never learn. It will never improve. But today, the president of Jammu and Kashmir Pradesh Congress Committee says Operation Sindoor is Thodi Si activity. He says it is Thodi Si activity, which means very small action. Then he says, who suffers? Do people in Uttar Pradesh bear the consequences? No. Only people in Jammu and Kashmir bear the consequences. They suffer. This Congress party is saying, which means in a time of war is going and polarizing people, saying, people of Jammu and Kashmir, you must feel strongly against people of Uttar Pradesh. What is this? Sheikh Amir, क्या मिलता है आपको ये सब करके? ये जो कमेंट्स हो रही हैं आपकी, और इसमें जो हर जगह ये गुलाम मीर आके बोल रहे हैं कि you have to raise your voice. Do people of UP suffer? No. Who has to bear the consequences? Shout it out loud. If you don't raise your voice, I shouldn't have to either. Where was there loss of life and property? Who suffered? Jammu and Kashmir. Who suffered? Jammu and Kashmir. Do people in UP suffer? Do people in Tamil Nadu suffer? No. What is this? Can you imagine this, Madhuvanti ji? Can you hear? Did you hear that, Jyotsna ji?
Arnav ji, can I?
Yeah, Jyotsna ji.
Arnav ji, I'm very sorry to say that our soldiers, our men take big risks, very big risks, huge risks, risking their lives so that people like Kharge ji can make small-minded remarks. I'm sorry to say this. So that they can make these small-minded remarks. Initially, let me put it very clearly, Arnav ji. Operation Sindoor was a strategic, successful cross-border strike. Right? 9 terror camps almost destroyed, 100 plus terrorists eliminated, 11 Pakistani air bases disabled. Am I speaking sense, Arnav ji? I think I am.
Yeah.
Right. Now, calling it a small war I think, I honestly feel from the bottom of my heart, is a disgrace to our soldiers. And ये जो बोल रहे हैं ना वहाँ पे कश्मीर में जो लीडर आप अभी कोट कर रहे थे अर्नब जी, I think
Congress president Kashmir
have this sense in him that India suffers. It's not Jammu Kashmir, it's not Tamil Nadu, it's not Uttar Pradesh, it's not Maharashtra, it's not Andhra Pradesh, it's not any isolated state that suffers. India suffers. Indians suffer. We suffer. Arnab ji, we the Indians suffer from the war. We have to understand this. Now, the problem is during, and I am sorry, but I'll have to probably be a little bit rude with Congress on this. During Congress rule, it was always, the dossiers were sent to Pakistan. You remember, Arnab ji? Dossiers were sent. Now, yahan pe, in NDA rule, in Modi's rule, in Modi's India, I should say, what is happening is 26 people killed by
Ashwini, your volume is down.
And 1 second. 100 terrorists eliminated by NDA.
You have not read the history properly, ma'am. Not read the history properly. We never succumb to the pressure of United States. Congress never succumbed to the pressure of United States. And it is indeed the insult of our forces where a third person can call. And
Sir, 1 second. When Pulwama happened, where was Rahul Gandhi? He was in Italy vacationing. I'm sorry to say, when Pulwama happened, where was Rahul Gandhi? He was in Italy vacationing, holidaying. Now today Congress wants to, in fact, lecturers on unity and lecturers on security. Sir, I'll tell you one simple thing. You gave us, I'm telling you, Congress gave us fear and dossiers. We, NDA, gave Balakot, Galvan response and today Operation Sindoor. And the choice is clear. देश के साथ या वोट के लिए विरोध. This is what you have to
The
decide.
other words are, and I want,
And sir, one second, Arnab ji. My last point, because I think I need to say this, Arnab ji, very clearly.
Sure.
Borders safer, enemies deterred, allies closer. That's our security doctrine in 3 sentences. Borders safer, enemies deterred.
I agree. Now let's look at what the Congress party has said today.
That is our doctrine.
Let us see what the Congress party has said today. Anyway, Jyotsna ji, you be very careful because you have said so much. They will serve you 100 kilos of lawsuits. For every sentence you give, they will put 100 cases against you.
Arnab ji, they can count.
I think they have more lawsuits than they have votes.
BJP will serve her 5 kg of ration, Arnab.
I think they should have, their problem is that they are spending more time doing lawsuits than appealing to the sentiments of the people of India. Sheikh Hamir, जो शब्द का प्रयोग किया है गुलाम मीर जी ने, ये कहा है कि आज आप देख लीजिए थोड़ी सी एक्टिविटी उन्होंने की. पहला सवाल है, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को थोड़ी सी एक्टिविटी कहने का मतलब क्या है? दूसरी बात, उन्होंने कहा पता नहीं दिल से की या मजबूरियत में की. मजबूरियत, 26 लोगों को पहलगाम में कहा गया कि कलमा पढ़ो, बोलो हिंदू हो या मुस्लिम हो या ईसाई हो, और उनके बच्चों और उनके बीवियों के सामने मार डाला, और आप बोल रहे पता नहीं किस मजबूरियत में की. मजबूरियत, इस हैवानियत के बाद आप इसको मजबूरी कह रहे हैं? ये मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. ये कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता कहते पता नहीं किस मजबूरियत में की. पुलवामा मजबूरियत थी, पहलगाम पर इस तरह की कार्रवाई करना हमारी मजबूरी है कि दृढ़ राष्ट्रीय निष्ठा है. ये शब्दों का प्रयोग, ये कोशिश की जा रही है, यू सी, टू डेनिग्रेट पहलगाम. पता नहीं किस मजबूरियत में की. पहलगाम मजबूरियत है. ज्योत्सना जी, मजबूरियत मींस कंपल्शन. पता नहीं मार डाला तो करना पड़ा. दिस लैंग्वेज, शेख, दिस लैंग्वेज,
द स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट.
आप लॉ सूट करते हैं. अरे लोगों को तो आपके खिलाफ लॉ सूट करना चाहिए जिस भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं आप इनको निकाल क्यों नहीं देते इनको? व्हाट डू यू मीन? मेरा सवाल सीधा यह है शेख कि पता नहीं दिल से की क्या मजबूरियत से की. दिल से या मजबूरियत से? पहलगाम के बाद ऐसी भाषा, हाँ, यही बाकी था शेख. इसको भी आप डिफेंड करोगे आज? हाँ,
उनकी मजबूरियत है जो यहाँ बैठ के डिफेंड कर नहीं पा रहे हैं.
इसको भी आप डिफेंड करोगे आज?
Please tell your cheerleaders to keep quiet. When you have question, tell them.
I am asking you. I am asking
what
you.
they have to say.
Yeah. You answer. I am asking you. You heard the words.
Don't answer yourself. You
no. But I am asking you. You answer my question. I won't answer.
मजबूरी की बात कर रहे हो. आपकी मजबूरी में समझ सकता हूँ. आप ये चटपटा क्यों रहे हो? ये मजबूरी में समझ सकता हूँ. आप
क्या मजबूरी? मेरी मजबूरी में के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहते हो? बोलो. मैं फिर आपको अच्छी तरह से आपको रिप्लाई करता हूँ.
लिसन टू मी अर्नब, आपकी मजबूरी जो रोज शाम को आना और कांग्रेस को बैश करना है, और कांग्रेस
देखो, कांग्रेस को मैं नहीं बैश कर रहा, कांग्रेस को देश की जनता बैश कर रही है आज की. आप कह रहे हैं थोड़ी सी मजबूरी. मैं शेख लाइन खोल देता हूं आज. आप और मैं जान जाएंगे अगर मैं लाइन खोल दूं कि आपके नेता ने जो कहा कल क्या कहा.
आप जरूरत है तो जवाब सुनिए.
नहीं, मगर आप
नहीं सकते हो तो अपना.
नहीं, देखिए एक मिनट, लेट्स हैव अ डील हियर. शेख देखिए, मैं जवाब सुनूंगा, मगर आप कृपया करके मेरे सवाल को अवॉइड करके छोटी सी पर्सनल कमेंट करके पतली गली से निकलने की कोशिश मत कीजिए.
गुलाम अहमद मीर इज नॉट जेकेपीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट. आपको ये भी नहीं पता है. झूठ पे झूठा बोल रहे हैं. एक तो पर्चा लग गया आप पर. कितने और लगाए?
कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता है कि वो भी बोलेंगे नहीं है.
एआईसीसी जनरल सेक्रेटरी
क्या है?
AICC जनरल सेक्रेटरी. जेके
और भी बड़े ओहदे पे है ना. AICC जनरल सेक्रेटरी बड़ी चीज होती है. मतलब आप तो मान रहे कि नेशनल लेवल के कांग्रेस के बहुत बड़े नेता कह रहे हैं कि ये मजबूरी है.
अरे मजबूरी क्या है? क्या हुआ बताइए ना. क्या हुआ?
पहलगाम हुआ.
आगे कहिए.
पहलगाम हुआ.
रुक जाओ.
पहलगाम हुआ. व्हाट डू यू मीन क्या हुआ?
Who did
पहलगाम हुआ,
It was Don.
मजबूरी क्या है?
He
What do you mean पहलगाम हुआ?
विश्वगुरु
क्या
बनने जा
हुआ?
रहे थे. Shame on you people.
Shame on you.
विश्वगुरु बनने जा रहे थे.
आप कह रहे हैं
बन गए
पहलगाम हुआ,
विश्वगुरु.
क्या हुआ?
बन गए विश्वगुरु, पूरे विश्व में बेइज्जती करा दी अपनी.
आप बात करिए, मजबूरी की बात करें.
जलील कर दिया हम लोग.
जलील आप लोग कर रहे हैं देश की जनता के फीलिंग्स के साथ. आप ये कर रहे हैं. आप कह रहे हैं क्या मजबूरी है?
Humiliated on us.
ऑल इंडिया कांग्रेस कमेटी नेशनल जनरल सेक्रेटरी सेइंग पता नहीं क्या मजबूरी में करना पड़ा. अरे माय गॉड, ओपन द लाइन्स, ओपन द लाइन्स व्यूअर्स, ओपन द लाइन, फुल ऑन लाइन खोल दीजिए.
Had to declare ceasefire.
नहीं, एक मिनट, क्या मतलब है किस मजबूरी में करना पड़ा, क्यों कहा? मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा, मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा. आई विल बी स्टक ऑन दैट. शेख, आपने क्यों कहा पता नहीं किस मजबूरी में करना पड़ा?
Journalists like you, we are.
No, I am asking you, forget journalists like me. I am the journalist the whole country supports. You want to know whether I have more support or your leader Rahul Gandhi? Should I open the lines? अरे उनकी तो उम्र भी हमसे ज्यादा है, अपने आप को युवा नेता कहते हैं. मेरी बात सुनिए. I am telling you today, I am telling you clearly. No, 1 minute. Why did your leader say पता नहीं किस मजबूरी में करना पड़ा? मैं कह रहा हूं मजबूरी नहीं है भाई, गुस्सा है.
अरे कौन सा गुस्सा है?
Why did you say मजबूरी?
Arnab, I want.
No. Why are you insulting the people of India by saying पता नहीं किस मजबूरी में करना पड़ा?
The same question to the central
26/11 के बाद आप लोगों ने की, आप पर कोई मजबूरी नहीं थी क्या?
सीज फायर करना पड़ा. आप बताइए ना, किस मजबूरी में सीज फायर करना पड़ा? वो क्या मजबूरी?
अरे छोड़ो, ऐसी एक पार्टी जिसने 26/11 के बाद एक गोली नहीं चलाई, हिम्मत नहीं थी, अमन की आशा करते रहे.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी चेयर लीडर्स ऑफ नरेंद्र मोदी.
किस मजबूरी?
Open the lines. This is not right. This is not right. Sheikh, this is not right. This is गलत है, गलत कर रहे हो आप.
Arnab ji,
You
can
can't
I
use
find-
this.
You are making a mistake.
मजबूरी थी जिसके लिए
You should not do like
उस
this.
मजबूरी की बात कर रहे हैं.
अर्नब जी,
उस मजबूरी थी जिसके लिए सीज
आप
फायर
ऐसी
करना पड़ा.
भाषा,
बताइए.
अश्विनी, you will support this.
Arnab ji, I
And उसके बाद no, one more thing, one minute. I'm asking Sheikh, listen. The other thing the Congress party has said, and Jyotsna will debate with you, is do people in Uttar Pradesh suffer? Do people in Tamil Nadu suffer? No. Only people in Jammu and Kashmir suffer.
We are the
Arre,
first
1
victims
minute,
of
1
war.
minute, 1
War
minute,
is not a TV
1 minute,
debate.
1
War
minute,
is not a TV
1 minute. How many
debate.
people from
Arnab.
Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh are guarding your borders?
It's not saying जाओ POK take over.
What do you mean? I am saying, why did your top leader say that only?
war कर जाते हो.
Oh, viewers, this views of the Congress party are just too much. Too many people are calling.
Arnab ji, I've been listening to him patiently, if I may.
Yeah.
Arnab ji, if I may. I've been listening to him patiently. Firstly, we are not playing an IPL match here for him to call us cheerleaders, okay? We are not cheerleaders of BJP. We are karyakartas of BJP and we are serving the nation. Probably they do not know the meaning of what it is to serve a nation because all they know is to serve Pakistan, everything on a goddamn platter. Okay? And don't you dare come and ask us questions about whether Tamil Nadu suffered or Uttar Pradesh suffered because people from South India were killed. 26 people, out of them, so many people from South India were killed who had gone as tourists to Pahalgam. So don't come and tell us that only Jammu and Kashmir suffered. The whole of India has suffered this loss and all of us as Indians are trying to come over this loss. And that is why BJP is fighting as a nation and the party is fighting for the nation. You people will not understand this because you have a separatist ideology and all you know is to serve everything to Pakistan, the enemy nation on a platter, sign agreements with China, and this is all you people are capable of. So don't you dare come and call us cheerleaders and don't you dare come and tell us that people from the south have not been affected by this attack or by Operation Sindoor, okay? The Sindoor of so many South Indian women was taken away from them, which is why Modi ji named this event Operation Sindoor. So don't come and try to तालियां बजाकर मजबूरी आपका मजबूरी क्या है ऐसे सपोर्ट करने का मजबूरी क्या है आपका लीडर का मजबूरी क्या है कि he spoke like this.
Jyotsna also coming in.
Jyotsna. Like this against the nation.
Answer me.
What was his majburi to talk against the nation? You answer me. What was his majburi to talk?
One second, ma'am, 1 second. Arnab ji, to Sheikh ji, my simple question is, we lost Murli Nayak from our state. Mr. Sheikh, we lost Murli Nayak from our state. Do you even
Yes, you don't answer.
know that?
I want to ask you
Do you even know that?
I want to ask
Shame
you a
on you.
question.
In the battlefield, we lost Murli Nayak from our state. From the state of Andhra Pradesh, we lost Murli Nayak. Do you even realize that? All the states suffer. Indians suffer. Sheikh ji, I think you should understand. We being Indians, if anything happens to any part of the country, all of us suffer.
Madam,
Today, in the battlefield there, We
Madam, I have
lost
a
our
question for you.
a soldier
Please
from our
answer.
state,
Please
Murli
answer.
Naik. Do you really
Have courage.
understand that?
Have courage.
And you come and give
Have
bhashan
courage to
here.
answer my
I'm sorry,
question.
sir.
Let me.
I'm sorry, sir.
A simple question. Arnab, give me 10 seconds.
Shit.
If this is a debate,
Differentiate.
if this is a
Not
debate, give me
differentiate.
just 10 seconds.
Okay,
Arnab,
I-
Congress ka
I'm
policy
just-
hai. Divide and rule Congress ka policy
Arnab,
hai.
give me 10
Vote
seconds.
ye nahi chahiye.
Yeah, I'll give you 10 seconds. But to say that how did people in Tamil Nadu suffer, UP suffer,
One simple question.
this is so wrong. I don't know what is happening to Congress party or has happened. Maybe it's gone to the point nothing can be done now. Yes, Sheikh.
Simple question. Simple question to the BJP leader is, the one representing BJP leader, please, just 10 seconds. Be quiet. I just want
Close
to
it,
ask one question. When BJP leader said that our 26 people in Pahalgam got martyred, yes, we know that. The whole nation knows that our 26 innocent people got martyred. My question is,
Okay.
can she answer that how many people in Jammu and Kashmir got martyred?
I think this
by the-
attempt to divide the
by
nation,
bombing of Pakistan?
which the Congress party is doing, must stop. The Congress party must understand these are old 1980s tactics. In 2025, we have republic, we have nationalism. This will not be allowed. Ladies and gentlemen, the Home Minister is on a steadfast promise he made in Parliament, the end of Red Terror. It's now near. Huge achievement today. I'll tell you about it.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.
आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।